Want to get paid daily with no boss, no experience, and no camera? These 5 AI side hustles can earn you real money from day one. Let's go. You're watching Digital Money Goldmine, where I turn digital tools into income streams. Subscribe if you want to make money online using the power of AI. First up, AI voiceovers. Tools like 11 Labs and Lovo AI let you create insanely realistic voiceovers. Sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. People are charging $50 or more for a 60-second clip. No mic, no recording booth, just pure AI. Second, YouTube video creation with AI. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts, then Pictory to turn them into full videos, all without showing your face. You can sell these to busy YouTubers or launch your own Faceless channel. No editing skills needed. Third, turn long videos into shorts. Tools like Opus Clip or Video.ai cut podcasts and interviews into viral short-form gold. Content creators need this to boost their reach, and they'll pay you to handle it for them. Hustle number 4. Sell AI-generated products. Use ChatGPT and Canva to create ebooks, templates, or guides, then list them on Gumroad or Etsy. Build once, and watch passive income trickle in forever. And finally, Resume and LinkedIn AI services. Offer AI-powered resume rewrites and LinkedIn makeovers. Charge $30 to $100 per gig, with ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting. Want more AI money hacks? Hit that subscribe button and grab your free AI side hustle starter kit in the comments. This is Digital Money Goldmine. Let's build your digital income empire.